Are you tired of the same old stock picks? The ones the so-called experts keep peddling that are about as exciting as watching paint dry? I hear you. You want the stocks that are going to send your portfolio into the stratosphere. Well, today's the day you get a taste of that action. We're diving into 5 under-the-radar stocks, the kind that are whispered about in the back rooms of Wall Street. These aren't just companies with potential. These are companies with stories, companies on the verge of breaking out. What if you could tap into the hottest stocks that analysts can't stop talking about? Today, we're breaking down Restaurant Brands Asia, MTAR Technologies, CSB Bank, Vaibhav Global, and GMM Pfaudler, all under-the-radar gems with explosive potential. And stick around, because at the end of this video, I've got a surprise for you, a little something to really kickstart your investing journey. It's worth 21,000 rupees, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. And here's the kicker, watch till the end for a surprise worth 21,000 rupees that could supercharge your investing game. First up, we're sinking our teeth into Restaurant Brands Asia Limited, the masterminds behind some of India's most beloved fast food chains. We're talking Burger King, Popeyes, and Firehouse Subs. This is a company that knows how to satisfy a craving. Now at 109 rupees and 1 paise a share, it might not seem like a screaming buy, but don't let that fool you. This stock has a market cap of 5,300 crores, and here's where it gets interesting. A negative PE ratio of minus 24.32. Yes, you heard that right. Negative. Restaurant Brands Asia is investing heavily in expansion, strategically positioning themselves to dominate the Indian fast food market. People are eating out more than ever, and Restaurant Brands is there to greet them with open arms and delicious food. If you're looking for a stock with the potential to double, triple, even quadruple your money, Restaurant Brands Asia deserves a serious look. Next up, we're strapping in for a wild ride with MTAR Technologies Limited, a company that's not for the faint of heart. This is a company that's at the forefront of India's technological advancement, a company that's building the future, one rocket component at a time. Now, trading at 1,752 rupees and 20 paise, MTAR might seem a bit pricey, but remember, you get what you pay for. With a market cap of 5,409 crores and a PE ratio of 96.41, MTAR is not for short-sighted penny pinchers. This company is for those who see the bigger picture, the investors who understand that MTAR is playing in a whole different league. We're talking defense, space, nuclear, sectors with growth potential that's practically bursting at the seams. And MTAR isn't just dipping their toes in the water, they're diving headfirst into the deep end. They're supplying critical components to ISRO, India's space agency, and they're working on projects that sound like they're straight out of a science fiction novel. This is a company that's firing on all cylinders, and their stock is a reflection of that. This isn't just about investing in a company, it's about investing in India's future, a future where MTAR Technologies will undoubtedly play a pivotal role. Chapter 3. CSB Bank Limited. A banking gem hiding in plain sight. Alright, let's shift gears now and talk about a sector that's near and dear to my heart. Banking. But we're not talking about your run-of-the-mill, too-big-to-fail banks. We're talking about CSB Bank Limited, a private sector bank that's quietly been making waves in the industry. Now, at 325 rupees and 45 paise a share, CSB might not scream, "Buy me now," but that's because this is a stock that's been flying under the radar. But with a market cap of 5,436 crores and a PE ratio of 9.59, CSB is flashing all the right signals. Remember, low PE ratios can often indicate an undervalued stock, and trust me, CSB is undervalued. This is a bank with a strong track record, a solid customer base, and a management team that knows how to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. They're a bank that's focused on the fundamentals, on providing excellent service and generating consistent returns for their investors. So, if you're looking for a solid, dependable stock in a sector that's poised for growth, look no further than CSB Bank Limited. Chapter 4. Vaibhav Global Limited. The global appeal of luxury. Let's talk fashion, baby. But we're not talking about your everyday, off-the-rack brands. We're talking about Vaibhav Global Limited, a company that's making its mark in the world of luxury apparel and accessories. Trading at 330 rupees and 35 paise a share, Vaibhav Global might not be a household name yet, but with a market cap of 5,655 crores, they're well on their way. And here's why you should care. A PE ratio of 44.21 and an earnings quality rank of 42. Now, I know what you're thinking, 44.21 PE ratio? That's high. And you're right, it is. But here's the thing. Vaibhav Global is playing a different game. They're not chasing mass market appeal. They're targeting a niche market of discerning customers who are willing to pay a premium for quality and exclusivity. Vaibhav Global has mastered the art of direct-to-consumer sales, and they've got a particularly strong presence in the US and UK markets. So, if you're looking for a stock that's a little bit different, a little bit daring, a little bit luxurious, Vaibhav Global Limited is worth a closer look. Chapter 5. GMM Pfaudler Limited, the unsung heroes of industry. Last but certainly not least, we're turning our attention to GMM Pfaudler Limited, a company that's about as essential as it gets. Now, they might not be the flashiest company on this list, but don't let that fool you. GMM Pfaudler is the backbone of countless industries. Trading at 1,326 rupees and 25 paise a share with a market cap of 5,903 crores, GMM Pfaudler is a true industrial powerhouse. And with a PE ratio of 33.00, they're sitting pretty in a sweet spot of growth and value. You see, GMM Pfaudler is in the business of manufacturing critical process equipment. We're talking about the heavy-duty machinery that keeps the pharmaceutical, chemical, and food processing industries humming along. These are the unsung heroes, the behind-the-scenes players that make modern life possible. Without GMM Pfaudler, we wouldn't have the life-saving drugs, the essential chemicals, or even the food we eat. GMM Pfaudler is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing new and improved equipment that's more efficient, more reliable, and more environmentally friendly. So, if you're looking for a stock that's as solid as steel, a stock that's essential to the global economy, a stock that's poised for steady, long-term growth, GMM Pfaudler Limited is the answer. So there you have it, 5 hot stocks that analysts are raving about. From high-risk, high-reward plays like Restaurant Brands Asia to the steady growth of GMM Pfaudler, these stocks offer something for every type of investor. Remember, the key is to do your research, stay informed, and make strategic decisions. And for those who stayed till the end, here's your reward, a special surprise worth 21,000 rupees. We're giving away 5 financial calculators that can help you fine-tune your investments. To claim yours, simply subscribe, hit the bell icon, and send a screenshot on WhatsApp to 9113211787. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Let's make those investments work for you.